Now how to set Intruder Selfie in HideU calculator log. Now here click on setting. Now here click on Intruder Selfie here. Now here click on this setting icon to set the time you want the person to try it in order for you to capture the person here. Now here select the time you want. If you 2 times you want the person to try your password in order for you to capture, or 3 times, or any time, or 5 times. The limit is 5 times. Now here I will use 1 time here. Now here click on confirm. Now here, as you can see, now here click on Intruder Selfie, turn this toggle on here, click on it. As you can see, is on. Now to test it, just go back, try it, go back to your home menu, re-enter a HideU calculator, try it how many times you set it, and then tell me on the comment section how it works on your device. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now watch this video on the screen in order to know how to use this HideU calculator to hide app or access the playlist by checking the description section. Now see you on the next video. Peace.